Hi, Dr. Daniel here from North Atlanta Hair Restoration here in Alpharetta, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. There's a question about growth at 1 year and what is the final growth. So the question was, at the 1 year mark after undergoing FUE to the crown, and apparently the grafted hairs were still pretty fine. The question was, is there still potential, even up to 18 months after the procedure, to get more hair volume and density? And the question is absolutely yes. Keep in mind that FUE to the crown, it lags behind a couple months versus FUE in other areas, say the frontal hairline or the mid-scalp. I'm not quite sure the biodynamics as far as why that occurs, other than one possibility may be that the converging blood vessels, they converge in the crown, and maybe the blood supply isn't quite as good in the crown as other areas, and that's why the growth is a little bit slower. So I usually tell my people with the crown that it is a delayed improvement, and that the 12-year mark or 12-month mark is not necessarily the end growth. And I think 18 months is a good mark to look at, especially where the hairs have finally gone into what is called the terminal growth phase, where they're in their final growth stage and they're nice and thick, as if they were in the back of the donor site. So hang in there. Continue to follow up with your physician, get some follow-up pictures. You may want to consider, if you're not already doing so, going on oral finasteride or doing topical finasteride and minoxidil, and also consider getting some platelet-rich plasma injection therapy to help speed up the process of healing. Good luck.